Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 40. I'm going to explain about verbs of emotion. Chapter 40 or bab 40, verbs of emotion. Benci, to hate. Takut, to be afraid of. Cemburu, to be jealous of. Suka, to like. Cinta, to love with passion. Dengki, to envy. Marah, to be angry with. Gemar, to be fond of. Gemar just like suka, to like. Sayang, to love, to be fond of. Kasih, to be fond of. Both sayang and kasih carry the same meaning. When these words are used in sentences transitively with an object, the word akan should be placed immediately after each word. In many cases, the word akan is shortened to kan and joined to the verb. In writing, akan. But in formal speaking, we short become kan. Dalam filem Titanic, Rose cinta akan Jack or Rose cintakan Jack. Rose cinta akan Jack, more to be found inside writing. Rose cintakan Jack, more to formal speaking. In the movie Titanic, Rose loves Jack. Dia marah akan saya or dia marahkan saya sebab saya lambat memulangkan bukunya. He is angry with me because I returned his book late. Aminah sayangkan Busu, tetapi Busu bencikan Aminah. Aminah loves Busu, but Busu hates Aminah. Jangan cemburukan kejayaan orang lain. Don't envy other people's success. Sayangkan anak, tangan-tangankan. Sayangkan bini, tinggal-tinggalkan. A Malay saying. Bini means wife, isteri. If you love your child, beat him. If you love your wife, stay away from home. Marahkan nyamuk, kelambu dibakar. Proverb. Literally means you are angry with the mosquitoes. You burn the mosquito net. It means someone angry with something, destroy the whole thing. The above words can also be used as auxiliary verbs. In this case, akan may be dropped. Mereka suka melihat orang bermain gasing. They like to watch people playing tops. Saya benci mendengar kata-kata kesat seperti itu. I hate to hear such vulgar words. Orang Malaysia gemar makan masakan yang pedas. Malaysians like to eat hot and spicy food. Kami ingin membaca buku komik itu. We want to read that comic book. Dia sayang keluarganya. He loves his family. Words to remember. Nouns, sungai, river. Tebing, riverbank. Sumber, source. Pendidikan, education. Alam sekitar, environment. Kesedaran, awareness from the word sedar, realize. Pelajar, student or pupil. Verbs, mencintai, to love. Menanamkan, to instill. Dilakukan, to carry out. Menjayakan, to make successful. Menyemaikan, to sow. Mengindahkan, to beautify. Sayangkan, to love. Adjectives, tepat, precise. Rapi, suruh. Ringkas, brief. Terpenting, most important. The passage, cintai sungai kita. Love our river. Itulah slogan yang sering terpampang di setiap tebing sungai utama di negara kita. That is the slogan which always shown in every main riverbank in our country. Pernyataan tersebut walaupun pendek dan ringkas, that statement, although short and simple or brief, tetapi membawa maksud yang cukup besar untuk menyatakan betapa pentingnya sungai dalam kehidupan kita, but carries a big meaning to state that how important the river in our life. Kempen mencintai sungai memang tepat dilaksanakan dalam waktu seperti sekarang, memandangkan kelangsungan sungai sebagai sumber air terpenting semakin terancam. Campaign to love river is precise to be carried out in the time like now, considering the river continuity as the most important water source getting threatened. Langkah paling awal yang dikira berkesan ialah menanam dan menyemaikan sikap sayangkan alam, khususnya sungai. The earliest step, which count effective, is to sow and to cultivate the habit to love the nature, especially river. Saluran terbaik untuk menggerakkan kesedaran ini hendaklah datang daripada program pendidikan alam sekitar. The best channel to spur or to move this awareness must become from the program education of environment education program. Justru, therefore, sekolah dan institusi pendidikan hendaklah mengambil inisiatif utama menjayakannya. The school and education institution must take the main initiative to make it successful. Antara program yang boleh dilakukan ialah pihak sekolah cuba menanamkan sikap cinta dan sayangkan sungai. Among the program that can be carried out are the school can try to cultivate the love and to be fond of the river. Program seperti ini sudah pasti dapat memberikan kesedaran kepada para pelajar untuk menyayangi dan berusaha mengindahkan sungai. The program like this certainly can give awareness to the student to love and to make effort to beautify the river. Exercise or latihan. Nombor 1. Juliet love Romeo very much. Juliet sangat cinta akan Romeo or cintakan Romeo. 2. A wife who is jealous of her husband is never happy. Seorang isteri yang cemburukan suaminya tidak pernah gembira. 3. Children like to eat at McDonald's. Kanak-kanak suka makan di McDonald's. 4. A good citizen must love his country. Warga negara yang baik mesti kasih akan negaranya or mesti sayang akan negaranya. 5. I'm afraid of walking in the dark. Saya takut berjalan dalam gelap. 6. All of us like to listen to love songs. Kami semua suka mendengar lagu-lagu cinta. 7. I hate him because he doesn't keep his promise. Saya bencikan dia kerana dia tidak menepati janjinya. 8. Don't envy him. I know he's a sincere man. Jangan dengkikan dia. Saya tahu dia orang yang jujur. Can replace dengkikan to cemburukan. 9. If you like children, children will like you. Kalau awak sukakan kanak-kanak, kanak-kanak akan sukakan awak. 10. He's afraid of dogs. I'm afraid of snakes. Dia takutkan anjing. Saya takutkan ular. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.